Now that you've created some forms, we're going to show you how to send them. We're still in the Forms Builder page here, and you can send them directly from here. So in order to send a form to a client, click the three buttons at the side of the form that you wish to send and choose Send to Client. Next, simply select the client's name from the drop-down box. If the form relates to an animal, you're also able to add the animal and then simply click Send. That form will now be sent to that client either through the app, or if the client is a guest user with an email address, the form will be emailed to the guest client to complete in a web browser. Similarly, to send a form to an external contact like a vet, find the form that you'd like to send. I'm going to use the vet consent form here. Click the three lines and click Send to Other. Choose the client's name again. Choose the animal as an optional field if you wish. Enter the vet's name and enter their email address, and then click Send. The vet will be emailed the form with a link to the form that they can open in a web browser, and once they've filled that back in, it will come and it will file itself under the client's forms. The other way that you can send forms to clients is directly from their profile. So if we go into the clients list and we go to the client, I'm going to use this top one, we'll go to the client's profile and then we click on Forms. This is where any forms that have been completed by the client will come back and will be stored, and you can send a form to a client directly from here. You can either send it to the client or to a vet or to another external contact. So if we click Send to Client, you obviously don't need to choose the client in this instance, but you do need to choose which form you'd like to send. And then again, if the animal is this client has no animals, but if there was an animal in question relating to this form, you can add the animal and then simply click Send. That form then gets added to the list of forms that has been sent to a client, and these forms are all uncompleted forms. If we go and find a client that has some completed forms, once they've been completed, there will be a tick, and you can click the tick and you can see the completed form under the client's profile.